Perfect question. This one's the real deal. Let's go fully practical on how to create Facebook page and earn money. First of all, create your Facebook page, right? We build the base. Your page is your business card on Meta's ecosystem. So go ahead and hit the menu at the bottom right. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and hit right here, pages, and create a new one. You're gonna select a personal or professional page. Go ahead and select your preferred method. Enter the page name. Keep it searchable, like Amar Explains, Desert Documentaries, or Tech by Adam, right? Choose categories, or choose relevant ones, like video creator, music band, entertainment, education, whatever. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just create. And you're gonna write your bio and of course add a profile picture. Write one clear line about your purpose. Add your profile photo, clean logo or face shot, and cover image, something that visually defines your theme. And what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hit create page. Okay, congratulations, my friend. You now own a digital land. Step 2, set up everything professionally. Okay, I already have a page, so I'm gonna switch to this page, for example. Once you create your page, what you're gonna do, you're gonna hit your profile icon at the bottom right, and then hit the settings gear at the top, and you're gonna see page setup or page setup, and you're gonna see the page info. You fill in the username, handle, contact info, email, website, phone, location, which is optional, and you can also add bio, which you can see from here. Look at the dots, and you can add profile picture, cover photo, location, add buttons like follow, watch videos, links. You can add right here action button or send a message. Then switch to professional mode if you want to post videos or reels under your personal name, or keep it under your page if you want to build a brand. Both work for monetization. Step 3, start creating and posting consistently. This is where 99% of people fumble. Consistency and storytelling matter more than fancy graphics. Focus on reels, short punchy videos, the main growth engine right now. Long form videos, 3+ minutes, needed for in-stream ads, monetization, stories and posts to stay in your audience's face daily. Pro tip, stick to one niche. Don't post a meme one day, a recipe in the next, and a cat after that. Facebook's algorithm loves clarity. Step 4, build followers and watch hours. You can't earn yet. You first need to qualify for monetization. For in-stream ads, you need 10,000 followers plus 600,000 watch minutes in 60 days plus 5+ active videos. For Reels, bonuses. Reels only creators may get invited. No fixed threshold, but activity helps. Stars, which means fans tip you with stars. You have to have at least 500 followers plus consistent engagement. Subscriptions, 10,000 followers plus stable content. Brand collabs, any follower count but strong engagement. You must have no community guideline violations and use original content. Meta is strict. Re-uploaded clips or stolen videos, instant demonetization. Step 5, enable monetization. If you met all the requirements, hit your profile icon at the bottom right, hit the professional dashboard, And at the top, you're going to see home, inside, content, engagement, monetization. Press monetization. And then go and start applying for monetization. Right? Connect your payout account, bank or PayPal. Fill out your tax form. Yes, Meta plays by IRS rules, even internationally. After approval, you will see your estimated earnings inside Meta Business Suite, monetization, and then payouts, or inside professional dashboard. Step 6, optimize for growth. Here's Facebook's current algorithm loves high retention, people watching full videos, original uploads, not reposts or TikToks with watermarks, engagement loops. Tag someone who needs to see this example. Regular uploads, 2 to 3 reels per week minimum. So always reply to comments early. That doubles engagement in the first 30 minutes and tells Facebook this post is alive. All right. Step 7, diversify your income. Facebook isn't just one revenue stream. Once your page grows, you can expand like a true digital entrepreneur. Brand deals through Meta's brand collabs manager, affiliate links and posts, merch or digital products, YouTube channel plus TikTok presence for cross-platform exposure. You're not just building a page, you're building a media empire. So avoid the common traps. Don't post copyrighted content. Don't buy fake followers. Meta can detect that in seconds. Don't spam reels. Quality is far more better than quantity. So use captions, clear hooks, and vertical formats. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.